In lesson 10.2, we're going to talk about congruent chords. We have a couple theorems that go along with this idea. So just a reminder, there's our congruent symbol, and here we have two chords in our circle. Remember, a chord does not pass through the center of the circle, but goes from one edge of a circle to another edge of a circle, or from one point on a circle to another point on a circle. All right, our first theorem says if two chords are equidistant or equidistant, this means that they are the same distance from the center of a circle, then they are congruent. So if we look at this picture, what we're saying is if the two chords, so the distance from the chord to the center of the circle, if that distance is the same as this distance, then that means that our chords are congruent. So if you know something about how far away chords are from a center, and if it's the same distance, then you can go ahead and state that the chords will be congruent. The flip side of that is if two chords of a circle are congruent, so if you know they're congruent first, then that means that they are equidistant from the center of the circle. So if you know that this chord is the same length as this chord, then that means that they will be the same distance away from the center. So these two are basically the same theorem, just they're converses of each other. So kind of backwards from each other. Probably can't even read what that says. So basically, congruent chords are the same distance from the center of the circle. So that's the main idea for congruent chords.